Waking up in the morning isn't easy, and we all know it. Coffee has revolutionized the way mornings go for every type of person. As coffee gets more and more popular, we see the target market expanding. As we see this phenomenon expanding into teenagers, we as Tualatin high school students believe that opening up the Wolf Cafe will be a benefit to our business class, school, and students. Through our cafe, we can provide a place right here at school where our student body can get their wake-up call of morning coffee. Many of our students travel to other coffee shops to get coffee, but by opening up the Wolf Cafe, we can make sure that they get their coffee without having to go anywhere but down the hall. The Wolf Cafe will be a great benefit to our school.
Our team is planning on opening up the Wolf Cafe. This will require us to develop a product line that abides by the House Bill 2650 guidelines and appeals to our target market. We need to develop a business plan, which we're in the process of creating. We also need to decide on how we are going to pay for all the products and work on donations. We offer a wide variety of hot and ice drinks, as well as many different flavors within the cafe. In the hot drink section, we offer muffins and lattes in the flavors of vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, Irish cream, and cinnamon. We also offer hot lattes in all three of our seasonal flavors: pumpkin, gingerbread, and peppermint. Steamers also come in these same exact flavors except for gingerbread.
We offer both regular mochas, white mochas, hot chocolate, white hot chocolate, Americanos, and cappuccinos. Our apple cider is only offered seasonally. We offer 7 different flavors of tea, including Zen, Awake, Calm, China Green Tip, Earl Grey, Passion, Wild Sweet Orange, and Lotus. We also have the option of chai tea latte. All drinks are offered iced except for the chai tea latte, apple cider, and steamer. The final drinks we offer 3 different types of sweets: mixed berry, strawberry, and blueberry.
Demographics for students at Tualatin High School is about 82% Caucasian and 11% Hispanic. For age, our students range between 13 and 19 years old, and there's a 50-50 difference in boys and girls. Tualatin High School students all have the same psychographics and are interested in or involved in similar clubs or activities. For Tualatin High School's market behaviors, a lot of students spend their money when they go out to lunch. I would estimate that about 1/4 of our school goes off campus to buy lunch at nearby restaurants, fast food chains, or coffee shops that are close to Tualatin High School. For marketing, I want to create a punch card incentive for students so that they are more motivated to buy from our cafe. Also, to get the word out about the opening of our cafe, I want to place our menus in classrooms, make posters, and have announcements in the morning to let our students know about the opening of our cafe. I also think we could use social media to our advantage to spread the word of our openings, new additions to our menu, and seasonal drinks through Twitter and Instagram.
There are numerous amounts of opportunities that could separate us from the likes of Dutch Bros, Starbucks, and other local coffee companies. House Bill 2650 adds an interesting dynamic to how we approach our product line. Although it limits what we can sell, it will make our product healthier for customers. Many coffee companies' products are high in calories and fats. Wolf Cafe could be the healthier option in a society where diet awareness is increasing.
Another different element to the Wolf Cafe is that it's run by students. Having our store being rated by fellow students will appeal to the masses at Tualatin High School. Starbucks, Dutch Bros, and other companies are not allowed to place their store inside Tualatin High School. This gives us a massive advantage due to ease of access. Students will not have to waste gas money on driving to other coffee stores to get their morning or lunchtime coffee. This will also reduce students rushing to get to class on time because they are already at the school purchasing coffee. Overall, the Wolf Cafe will be a unique approach to expanding business at our schools.
After evaluating our business, we have discovered our current competitors, and we are constantly pursuing ways to separate ourselves. In order to evaluate ourselves and our competitors, we have organized a series of SWOT tables that help our company, the Wolf Cafe, identify what it is we need to do to accomplish our goals and strengthen our weaknesses. Currently, in the local area, Starbucks, Dutch Bros, the student store, and the cafeteria are our key competitors. The common strengths you see in each of the competitors is their great location. The Wolf Cafe is challenged to advertise and promote their products more than most companies because we are distant from the cafe where our target market lies. In return, the Panera bagels and healthier food and drink options will separate us from our competitors and will hopefully attract consumers to come to our cafe. With the addition of having our culinary arts students cook most of our food, our company will increase its menu items, and that alone will give students more variety to choose from and be more interested in buying something at the cafe rather than choosing from our competitors.
To successfully open the cafe, we must have people in charge of certain areas to manage it. We have designated the job to myself as manager to look over all areas of the cafe, Miranda and Taylor Miller in charge of the product line of the cafe's coffee products, which will include their own recipes and innovative seasonal drinks. Taylor, Booth, and Cooper in charge of purchasing and delivering bagels for both the store and cafe. Tyler and John for accounting and IT for both the store and cafe, which will include a security system and the management of money. Kate for marketing to think of creative ways to persuade our students to come to the cafe, and Jake for operations, in which he will overlook the systems in place to make sure that all rules and regulations are followed. Each student has taken at least 3 years of a former business class of accounting or marketing. Each has their food handler's card, and each can give change using the counting forward method. The Cafe 3A is not just experience, but we are innovative, trustworthy, dependable, and best of all, we work together to come up with the best possible solution.
After looking over the cost of our products and all our operating expenses, we broke up funding into 3 main sections. First, $1,000 is needed for general expenses such as coffee, creamers, and syrups. Secondly, we need money to purchase an espresso machine. This is our largest expense and is necessary for all our primary drinks. Lastly, the cafe will not be able to open unless we obtain a security system that will run through the cafe. This expense will be the most important to ensure that the cafe will run without theft. The espresso machine and security system will not be out of the cafe's $1,000, but will be bought through a separate AVP account.
When it comes to buying products and supplies for the cafe, we plan on spending on average $1,300 a month on things like syrups, cups, coffee, and other miscellaneous products. The price may be steep, but we plan on marking all products up at an average rate of 40%, and we plan on selling about 30 drinks per day, giving us an estimated profit of about $1,900 per month. Giving us,